Playbook 5-box break. This is Panini Playbook number 23 on the bay. It is the 4th of February. Good luck. Thank you guys for jumping in. Thank you for your patience. Waiting on one payment, and it came through. Panini Limited ending now on the bay, as well as the rest, the last team in Absolute. So jump in if you can. Love to have you guys. Seems like a pretty quiet night. Everyone's prepping for the Super Bowl or what? I don't know. Yeah, I don't want those in there.
All of these?
No. Those are my Indians.
Oh.
I want my Indians together.
These ones you
Those
don't care.
Oh, those ones?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I don't care about those ones.
Okay, I'm going to put these ones in this box.
And there's something else in there. What else is in there? Anything Indians or Ohio State, I do not want in there.
Okay, and then those ones I'll put in that box right there.
Can you just put them right here for now? I need to go through those. And kind of get them organized. Out of 199, Jay Cutler for the Bears. And then we have a dual jersey booklet of Todd Gurley for the Rams. Numbered out of 199. And out of 10 for the Redskins. Is that Chris Cooley jersey auto? Chris Cooley. Yeah, it showed everyone his wiener.
I didn't see it.
Todd Gurley. Todd Gurley jersey book. All right. Limited ending now, guys. Limited ending now. Mike Evans out of 49 for the Buccaneers. Down and dirty, Paul Posluszny. It's not really dirty. 8 of 25. He didn't get too dirty that game. Down and dirty. And on the back, we got a 5 of 99 slant signatures, Doug Baldwin for the Seahawks. Seahawks auto for the Seahawks. And Paul Posluszny out of 25, dual jersey booklet. Again, limited football ending now on the bay, guys. Jump in. Jump in it to win it. Yeah, we got a 1-on-1. Who we got? Steve Smith Sr., 1 of 1 plate, yellow for the Ravens. 1 of 1. And oh, wow, this is going to be huge. Out of 199 for the Dolphins, Leonte Carroo. I hope somebody in the room has the Dolphins. Dan Marino, 3 triple jersey auto for the Dolphins. Boom! That is 3 of 10 for the Dolphins. Dolphins doing work, son. Nice hit for the Dolphins. We do have to do the Rumble Bumble for the 1-on-1. Ooh, Rumble Bumble. Rumble Bumble. Rumble Bumble Bumble Bumble. 1-on-1 Rumble Bumble. But it should be for that Dan Marino book. We got 2 books. Out of 25, Antonio Gates for the Chargers. Jersey, Sterling Shepard for the Giants out of 199. Bears just ended in limited. We are on the Bengals, Browns, and Cowboys. The 101 was a plate of Steve Smith for the Ravens. Just a yellow printing plate. Out of 149, dual jersey, Kenneth Dixon for the Ravens. That one is numbered out of 149. And for the Houston Texans, jersey auto of Tyler Irving book. That is numbered out of 199 for the Texans. And just one more showing of the Kenneth Dixon, because I didn't show that real well. But all right. If you need an invoice on Absolute, I will get that to you here in just a momento. Wow, so this video has frozen. I have not seen anything. Sorry, Ram booklet, and I think a Steve Smith plate. Your video is froze. Gumbo, is your video froze? Out of 199, Jordan Reed for the Redskins. Okay. Just for one guy. Will Fuller, Mammoth Materials jersey out of 199 for the Texans. Hot Stove, what teams you got? Dual jersey for the Giants, Sterling Shepard. Yeah, it shouldn't be coming and going at all right now. Frames, I haven't dropped a single frame in the last hour. I don't know why it would be doing that. Out of 149 for the Giants. And for the Bears, 3-color patch booklet auto Jordan Howard. Out of 99, 80 up, 99 for the Bears. Hot Stove, what teams you got, buddy? Ravens, Saints, Rams, Niners. Well, you hit the 101 plate of Steve Smith with the Ravens. You hit the Gurley book, and then you hit a book of Kenneth Dixon for the Ravens. There were no Saints and there were no Niners. He wasn't even in the room when I just said all that, I don't think. Yeah, Gumby, I got you. Hot Tub, did you hear me? Let me know if you heard me.